Hello, my name is Rachana. In this video, we will learn about the student mark sheet calculation in Microsoft Excel. And I will explain you step by step. Now use the sum function to calculate the total mark of the student. Equal sum function. Select the mark of 4 subjects. Close parenthesis. Press enter. Click and scroll down to run all the formula. Percentage equal. Click on the total mark, divide by 400 and multiply 100. Press enter. Double click to run all the formula. Minimum mark. I will use the min function to find the minimum mark of the student. Equal min function. Select on the mark of 4 subjects. Close parenthesis. Press enter. Double click. The maximum equal mark function. Select on the mark of 4 subjects. Close parenthesis. Press enter. Click and scroll down. The average mark of the student, I will use the average function to calculate. Equal. Click on the average function. Select on the mark of 4 subjects. Close parenthesis. Press enter. Double click to run all the formula. Pass and fail. I will use the if function to set pass and fail. If the total mark greater than and equal to 200, the result will be pass. And less than 200, the result will be fail. Equal if function. Click on the total mark greater than equal 200, comma, quote pass, quote, comma, quote fail, quote, close parenthesis, press enter. Click and scroll down. Grade mark of the student. I will give the grade level using the if function. If the average mark are between 90 and 100, I will give a grade A. If the average mark are between 80 and 89, I will give a grade B. And if the average mark are less than 50, I will give a grade S. This is the formula. Equal if function. Click on the average mark. Press enter. Double click. Rank. I will use the rank function to set the rank number for the average mark of the student. Equal rank function. Click on average mark, comma, select all the average mark, close parenthesis, insert dollar symbol, press enter. Double click. The second solution. Press F4 to insert dollar symbol. Press enter. I want to sort from smallest to largest. Select all the rank number. Sort and filter. Click on sort smallest to largest and click sort.